Hello everyone, welcome to Solar Solars. Today we are making this outdoor chair into an indoor chair. We are making a new cover for this seat cushion. I already have a material in mind that I'm going to use for the cover. All I have to do is find a zipper that is long enough for this seat cover. Here is the material I'm gonna use for this seat cover, and I already found a zipper for this size. I'm ready to go. First, I will draw the outline around the seat cushion. And make sure to leave ½ inch for sewing. We'll cut along the line. Fold the seat cover in half. Make sure both side pattern are matched. We'll need two pieces exactly the same. We'll measure where the zipper part is and the other side piece. Cut off the piece. Remember to leave ½ inch sewing on both sides. I like to add a couple more inches to the measurement and cut later. Measure up the zipper piece. Here is half of the zipper piece. We'll need another half of the zipper piece. We have to make sure the pattern will match the side piece when you fold it up for the zipper. Here are the two pieces for the zipper. First, we're gonna add to where we want to put a zipper. We are ready for sewing. Make sure the pattern match up. We'll sew on one side the zipper first. We are getting ready to sew on the other half of the zipper. Our zipper is ready. We'll leave one side of the zipper unconnected and connect one side to the other side piece. Be careful when you sew over the metal zipper. Now we are connecting the side piece to the both top pieces. Connecting the side piece to one top piece first, making sure the second piece match up the pattern of the first one. Then we continue sewing all the way to the end of the other side of the side piece. Before we can enclose the whole thing, we have to enclose the side piece first. Remember, I cut a couple inches more than I needed for the side piece. Now I can measure exactly how much I need before I enclose them. This way, my measurements are always exactly right. Very careful when you sew over the metal zipper. Now I can cut off the extra material. Now I can go back there to enclose the side piece and the top piece all together, both sides. Now our seat cover is complete. Our pattern on a zipper piece will match in the side piece all together. Here is our new chair. How do you like it? I would appreciate you can give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends. Please check the link here for more sewing projects. I will see you all next time.